So welcome back to this wrap-up for this on Hangout. I will say that you're welcome to, I'm just going to talk for a minute, and you're welcome to rejoin groups. I think there was a lot of good continuing conversation going on, so you're welcome to go back into those groups when I'm done. I just want to say that I was only able to get to a couple groups because I actually found the conversation within each of those quite interesting. And just a couple things I heard. The nature of the groups seems to be a really important aspect that goes on in social learning groups, and people reflected on both learning in this course as well as others. And I think it's a continually developing field and continually developing technology. And so we're going to try to improve that, I know, ourselves, but it's important others can think about ways that they can incorporate other aspects of communities like these in their own courses and in groups like these. The other thing that was interesting was the notion of synchronous versus asynchronous communication. So right now, we're doing things in groups. We're using a technology, Google Hangouts, to do this. The groups, it's really, and I'm getting myself. Sorry. It goes on in social learning groups, and people reflected on both learning in this course as well. Well, getting some feedback there of me being delayed talking about this course. Sorry about that. So the synchronous versus asynchronous communication, it's for a lot of people, they found a lot of great benefit from that creation of community that happens from those synchronous, whether they be face-to-face or something approximating face-to-face interactions. So ways of facilitating that around technologies. Now, sometimes that can be in a medium like this where you're doing things online, but that can come also in physical communities of practice around digital technologies. So in a lot of cases, when we think about implementing these things in schools or formal learning communities of some kind, it's a matter of how do you have a teacher or a facilitator help foster some of that communication and collaboration, even though you might be doing something by yourself on a computer screen. And so there's ways of thinking about ways you use non-digital sort of face-to-face interactions to support some of those digital technologies in creating those communities. So lots of great discussion. I do hope that you continue now. We'll leave the Unhangout open so you can continue to discuss with each other, join back into a group. I know some of you need to go to work or sleep, depending on where you are in the world, so you're welcome to do that as well. And we do have another live event coming up at the end of the course as well. So we do hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the asynchronous forums online in the meantime. Thanks.